This lecture, I am going to tell you the fundamental for digital marketing success, and I will provide you with a simple framework for developing the key elements required for a successful online marketing for your business. Let's start with it. First fundamental and flexible website. The first fundamental is the need for a reliable and flexible website which allows you to manage your content effectively in-house with tools like WordPress available. Companies can manage the more sophisticated website with low levels of technical skills, and this allows any business to publish content on the map with the great easy and without the need for external cost and delays. Second fundamental regular and fresh content or second fundamental is the need for regular and fresh content as we move more and more into a world where our prospective customers have the power to seek us out on the web. We need to leave content for them to find that will lead them to want to know more about our businesses. Many businesses are not used to create content on a continuous basis, and I have found the most activity for a business to generate good quality content is to do something simple change to good process in the business that result in generating new content. The content need to develop to content with potential customers who are at different stage of the buying process. The first fundamental is often not seen as important until a second fundamental is understood and accepted. Okay, now moving on the third fundamental, that is building steady stream of visitors. So the third fundamental is building a steady stream of visitors to view the content, and therefore you have to light it. For example, you may have shot off a number of videos that are developed on YouTube, your strategy being to encourage people who have these videos to click through your website. You may have developed a series of articles that you add to your website, a blog, and optimize for specifics keywords that you have decided to target it. So it is easy to see you why you visit this third fundamental depended upon the second fundamental being started. Okay, moving on the fourth fundamental marketing. The fourth fundamental is to attempt to engage with people who express an interest in what you have to sell. My caption data ideas and taking them through a multi step nourishing process that educates them enough so that they understand the benefits and know how to buy from you. This is best managed in this is best managed in some form of marketing automation system that can automate some of the follow up required to improve conversation effectively. Then the let's move fifth sentimental develop of a social face to the company. Let me explain. The fifth sentiment, and it is develop a social face to the company. This might involve participating in one more of the major social networks like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn. It could also be achieved by posting videos on YouTube or writing vlogs by post fish. Draw the attention of a crowd because of the value of. but you write to the readers. The purpose of the fundamental is to encourage people to develop relationships through these channels into some form of marketing process that increase the chance of them doing business with you. 6. Fundamental implementing monitoring and tracking system. The sixth fundamental is to embrace, implement and use system that will help you monitor and track all of the interactions your customer base have with you and your company. This will probably start off with tools like Google Analytics being used in conjunction with your marketing automation system. Then finally the seventh fundamental, and that is then optimize conversation process. The seventh and final fundamental is in some ways about optimizing the process in your business to maximize conversation.